Welcome back to our JavaScript tutorial series. In this video, we'll explore the world of asynchronous programming and learn how to handle non-blocking operations in JavaScript. In the previous video, we explored various techniques and methods of DOM manipulation. Check out the link in the description to watch the previous video. Today we'll cover the differences between synchronous and asynchronous code, callbacks, promises, async await, error handling with try-catch, the fetch API, and async iterators and generators. Synchronous code executes in a sequential manner, one operation at a time. Asynchronous code allows operations to run in parallel, without blocking the main thread. JavaScript is traditionally single-threaded, but asynchronous operations are essential for building responsive and efficient web applications. Callbacks are functions passed as arguments to other functions to be executed when an asynchronous operation completes. They are the traditional way of handling asynchronous code in JavaScript. Promises are objects that represent the eventual completion or failure of an asynchronous operation. They provide a more structured and readable way to handle asynchronous code. The Fetch API is a modern and more straightforward way to make HTTP requests in JavaScript. In this example, we refactor the previous fetchData function to use the modern Fetch API and make an HTTP GET request. We handle the response asynchronously using async await and parse the JSON response. Async await is a modern syntax for working with promises in a more concise and synchronous-like manner. The async keyword is used to define an asynchronous function that can use the await keyword to pause execution until a promise is resolved. The try-catch statement is used to handle errors in JavaScript, including errors thrown by asynchronous operations. The try block contains the code that may throw an error, and the catch block contains the code to handle the error. In this example, we wrap the asynchronous fetch operation and the parsing of the response in a try block. If any error occurs during these operations, it will be caught in the catch block, and we can handle the error accordingly. Async iterators and generators are advanced concepts in JavaScript that allow you to work with asynchronous sequences of data. They are particularly useful when dealing with streaming data or infinite data sources. In this example, we define an async generator function generate numbers that yields a sequence of numbers asynchronously. We then create an async function consume numbers that uses a for await loop to consume the values generated by the async iterator. Async iterators and generators are useful when working with streaming data or infinite data sources, as they allow you to handle the data in chunks asynchronously, without having to load the entire data set into memory at once. Alright, you now have a solid understanding of asynchronous programming in JavaScript. Keep practicing and experimenting with asynchronous JavaScript to solidify your knowledge. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing and keep coding. I'll see you in the next video.